Greetings of the day, dear parents, guardians, and students. The main purpose to make this video is to guide you all to get yourselves registered on Pariksha Pe Charcha 2022. For this, you need to click on the Google homepage. Here, in the global search, type mygov.in. This takes you to this link that pops up. Click on it. Once you click on it, scroll the screen and click on this What's New Pariksha Pe Charcha 2022. This further takes you to this interface. Here in the drop down on the right side, you can read the guidelines, the themes, the guidelines for students, the guidelines for participation of the students through teacher login, then the guidelines for parents and teachers, important dates, the Ignite, the exam warrior in you with PM Modi. But basically we need to click on this participate now. Once we are done with it, just check. It shows student self-participation, student participation through teacher login, then for teachers and for parents, we all can log into it. But for students appearing in classes 9, 10th, 11th and 12th, need to click on this participate now. This takes you to the basic student details. You need to fill in your name, the name that you want to be inscribed on the certificate, your email ID. It's optional. आप लिख भी सकते हैं, आप नहीं भी लिख सकते. Your phone number, then your gender, male, female, other, then your date of birth, then your class. For classes, it's for class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th as told before. You need to write your parents' name, either of the one, either your mother's name or your father's name. After that, you need to write your school name, that is St. Mary's School. Select the board. We will select CBSE private schools. Then the address, Chilkana Road, Saharanpur. The country is already written. Our state is UP, that is Uttar Pradesh. Then the district, it is Saharanpur. You can select it in the drop box. Then the pin code, it would be 247001. Once you are done, click on the activity details, that is Gatividhi Vivran, the theme, the topic that you are going to write upon. So the first topic is exam stress management strategies during COVID. Under this topic, you can write a lot. You can discuss about this exam stress, what exactly and how it happens. Here you need to tell what anxiety is. Anxiety is natural. How you can be optimistic. You need to love yourself. You need to distract yourselves from overdriven activities. Then you need to do exercises, support your system, calm yourself, evaluate where you are, seek help, prepare yourself and move on. Then the second topic is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Here in this topic you can explain about India's vision, aspiration of India's youth and what India will be in the next 25 years. The third topic is self-reliant school for self-reliant India. Under this topic, you can talk about the ability to do things and make decisions by yourself without being dependent. Here, you can describe the 5 pillars of being self-reliant and a self-reliant country, that is India. That is Atmanirbhar Bharat. You can talk about economy, you can talk about infrastructure, you can talk about system, the vibrant demography and the demand. The fourth topic, that is Clean India and Green India. This was a new theme of the new government in the calendar 2015. Here, a Prime Minister's pet initiative is being focused, and that was the Swachh Bharat mission. A Prime Minister himself features on the first page of the calendar for the month of January, wielding a broom to a clean roadside. The next topic is digital collaboration in classrooms. This topic, it talks about digital collaboration, the gaps that bridges between the technology and instruction using various resources of academic success and instructional technologies. And the last topic, that is environmental conservation and climate change resilience. Here we can talk about our lives, our personal perspectives, that is our oxygen, which is limited because of deforestation. As in for deforestation continues, our air gets dirty. Due to pollution and most importantly, our future families will have harder and shorter lives. So, climate resilience is the ability to anticipate, prepare for, and respond to hazardous events, trends, or disturbance related to the climate. I hope all the topics were clear to you. Now you have to write on any one topic in at least 1500 characters. You can write it on a separate Word file and then paste it over here. When you have a written matter, you can paste it over here. Then this one, the question to PM. Submit a question of your choice related dealing with examination stress that you will like to ask the Prime Minister in not more than 500 characters. It is optional. Here, if you have a question that you want to ask from the PM, you can ask, and that too the question should be within 500 words. So the main motive is, ये जो थीम है आपकी, इनमें से आपको किसी एक को अटेम्प्ट करना है, और जिस भी थीम को आप अटेम्प्ट करते हो वो मिनिमम या मैक्सिमम 500 कैरेक्टर्स में होनी चाहिए एंड नॉट मोर देन दैट. आप उसे एक सेपरेट वर्ड फाइल पर लिख सकते हैं, यहाँ पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट, अगर आपका अपने प्रधानमंत्री से कोई सवाल है किसी भी चीज़ को लेकर रिलेटेड टू द टॉपिक बेसिकली, और एनीथिंग दैट रिलेट्स टू एजुकेशन, आप यहाँ विद इन 500 कैरेक्टर्स में उसे लिख सकते हैं. उसके बाद व्हेन यू आर डन विथ एवरीथिंग, यू नीड टू क्लिक ऑन दिस सबमिट ऑप्शन. जैसे ही आप इस ऑप्शन पर क्लिक करते हैं तो द नेम दैट यू हैव फिल्ड ओवर हियर, एज इन योर नेम, वट एवर योर नेम इज़ XYZ ABC, वही सर्टिफिकेट के ऊपर प्रिंट होकर आएगा. आई होप आई वॉज एबल टू एक्सप्लेन यू. थैंक यू वेरी मच. टेक केयर, स्टे होम, stay safe. Good luck.